Hi there, welcome to IELTS SEB 8 Plus. Today's cue card is describe an interesting lecture, talk, or seminar you attended. This cue card has been taken from the list of September to December cue card list recommended by international examiners. In this topic, I will explain vocabulary words while speaking sample answer. In this way, you will be able to understand easily difficult vocab words. So take a paper and pencil to write down difficult vocabulary words. Let's get started. Attending formal lectures of history and political science sounds monotonous to me. Formal lectures meaning a lecture where professor teaches in front of large group of students. Monotonous meaning boring. But I never miss seminars and TED Talks. Usually I watch psychology and technology related topics on YouTube. Psychology meaning study of human mind. A short time ago means recently I attended absorbing lecture about social media. Meaning of absorbing is something very interesting that sustains your interest. This lecture was delivered by Dr. Raman in our college. He was invited in our college on 5th September. Purpose of this seminar was to make pupils aware about the impact of social media on their mind and life. All students were informed about this seminar 5 days ago. I was looking forward to attending this seminar with my friends. Looking forward meaning excited about something, since it was going to be distinct than routine lectures. Meaning of distinct is different from others. I reached there approximately half an hour ago, and I was astonished to see many students were gathered there already. They all seemed to be excited. Meaning of astonished is surprise, and astonished meaning surprised. Gathered meaning assembled. They were already there. Seminar began with a welcome speech for Dr. Raman, who has good oratory skills. Oratory skills meaning skills of public speaking. In this seminar, we were told how most of the youngsters have fallen a victim to the evil power of social networking. Fall victim meaning to be badly affected by something. Numerous students admitted that they are addicted to social media and spend far too long on social networking sites. Numerous meaning many. Addicted to meaning physically or mentally dependent on particular substance. Far too long. Its meaning is a lot longer than necessary. Writing their updates and reading the updates of others. Dr. Raman quoted a survey which was done on people stopped using social media for good. Word quote meaning refer fact or example in order to emphasize what you are saying. For good means forever or permanently, and their lives changed positively. We realized that a good amount of precious time is being wasted on social media instead of utilizing it. Precious time meaning valuable time. Utilizing meaning to use time in an effective way. Having attended seminar, many students made a commitment to cut down time spent on social media. Meaning of cut down is to reduce amount of something. I am sure that seminar has changed many youngsters' lives for betterment. Betterment meaning an improvement. Guys, this was the cue card. Now I am going to display list of vocabulary words so that you could understand and write these down words if you missed any word when I was speaking. And of course, guys, please don't forget to subscribe my channel if you are a new visitor here. Like this video, share this